Hey craft champs! Let's set sail on a creative escape with our Muddy's mini textured painting, the soothing Seashell Shore creation. Prepare your paints, brushes, and a touch of seaside serenity. Rinse your cup and paper towels. Inhale calm, and let your creativity flow like gentle waves along the seashell shore. Ready? Let's paint. Step 1. Prepare your painting tools and use the precision brush to draw the boundary line between the waves and the beach using color number 25. Step 2. Mix equal parts of the colors number 25 and number 27. Then mix it with quartz sand in a 1-to-1 ratio. Use the back of a palette knife to scrape the sand from the boundary line downwards, lightly tapping the beach to create a rough texture. Step 3. Mix color number 21 with quartz sand in a 1-to-1 ratio. Use the back of the palette knife to scrape the color mixture from top to bottom in the water area without intentionally smoothing it out, leaving behind natural scrape marks. Step 4. Mix color number 2 with quartz sand in a 1-to-1 ratio. Use the back of the palette knife to scrape out 3 layers of white waves. Step 5. Once the paint is dry, use glue to attach seashells and pearls to the canvas. Step 6. Use a flat brush to lightly sweep the beach and seashells with color number 21 and color number 27, blending the colors of the seashells with the beach for a more harmonious composition. Amazing! Your Seashell Shore is a coastal masterpiece. Rinse brushes, dry flat, then hang or gift it. Tag #CraftHero and #Muddies to share your seaside vibes. Thanks for crafting. Catch you on the next tide.